Welcome, my friends and the internet. It's been 2 years coming, but finally, the first episode of the 505 Chick channel. It's going to mostly be about, well, tearing along the dotted roads on a motorbike of some type, with some cool stuff to do and see as we go. Today, I'm leaving Santa Fe, New Mexico, heading south on scenic Highway 14, making a pit stop in Albuquerque to pick up a new camera mount, SD cards, and some warm weather riding gear. Tomorrow, start tripping down around the Gila Mountains to Silver City, New Mexico. Ultimately, though, I'm headed to SoCal, a 2,000-mile cross-country road trip. But first, a couple of days in this area, Silver City and the Gila Mountains. I've got a cute Airbnb right up that hill, so it's time to check in and chill. So this is Pete's B&B. Hey, Pete. It's a super cute place with a Southwest decor and rich history. Pete's a great host and really helped out when I needed it. After chatting a bit with Pete, I decided to take his advice and walk around downtown for a bit, and then stop in at a very popular spot. Little Toad Creek Brewery and Distillery. So what's it gonna be? Fish and chips or the fish tacos? I'm sure both would be great. Fish tacos it is. The downtown here is known for its art district. So in the morning, my plan is to check all those out. Very eclectic, I'm told. Okay, this morning I'm going to check out the downtown art district, as planned. But first, I think I'll have some breakfast at Adobe Springs. Excellent reviews. Oh, and they have migas. So, as I was saying, the art scene here is quite eclectic. Framed art, sculpture, pottery, furniture even. But then disaster, or at least a glitch. It turns out that most of the art shops are closed on Monday. Oh, wow. So I guess it's just going to be window shopping. Silver City itself has a website devoted to their art district, so check it out. Oh, and by the way, I did learn that these murals that are around town, what's that about? It's local artists that are partnered up with the high school's art department to use students for local projects. I don't know if you just have to ask or what, but if anyone from the Silver City area knows how that works, feel free to comment below. So I guess for the rest of the day, I'm just going to ride about 45 miles up into the Gila. It's quite a twisty one-way road, I hear. In the end, I'm going to check out the Cliff Dwellings, originally constructed about 800 years ago. So if you want to see more of my trips like this, and especially the next one up, the Cliff Dwelling episode, just hit the subscribe button below.